Hey everyone, this is Travis with Diesel Laptops. Today we're going to show you how to do a VGT calibration on a Mack MP8 engine using the TEXA software. We're going to go to Heavy Duty, choose our model here, which is our Mack, and choose our Mack engine, and this is actually a 4th generation. And we'll go down to our diesel injection option and click Start below here. We'll give this just a minute to actually get connected to the vehicle. Okay, once we're connected, it's going to bring us up on the faults page, which as you can see, everything's inactive except for the coolant level right now. So we're going to go to the settings tab, and we're going to be looking for calibration step 1. We'll click Start here, and this box up here just gives us a little bit of information about the actual calibration and what each step's going to entail. We'll close this out, and then we want to go down here to the Confirm button, and once we click it, this is actually going to tell us step 1's not necessary. That's due to us not having that active code right now, so we want to go on down to step 2. And what step 2 is going to do is actually it's going to get the actuator in position here to do that final calibration. It's going to ask us to cut this key off. And then we'll turn the key back on. We'll start the test here, and you will see that gear on the actuator actually turn here. Alright, and then it's going to direct us to step 3. Step 3, you're actually going to have that actuator back onto the turbo, and this is going to be your actual calibration. So make sure you've got that sector gear on the turbo aligned at this point before you continue with this step. We'll confirm here, and confirm one more time. And it's doing the calibration. And once it finishes this calibration, then of course we'll go back in and we'll add coolant and we'll run the truck here. Make sure we don't get any active codes back. Alright, well this is how to do a VGT calibration. Thanks for watching.